Hello, my name's Graham Norris. Real estate investing promises freedom, wealth, and a chance to build a lasting legacy. But let's be real, most investors never make it to that finish line. They get tripped up, overwhelmed, or even wiped out by the three roadblocks that have been stopping investors for decades. And that's exactly why I created something brand new, something groundbreaking. It's called the Profit Shield Growth System. Now, this isn't just another shiny object or another tool. It's a proof of concept, a first of its kind framework that brings together the three essential components every investor needs. And here's the thing, each of these three components already works on its own. We've seen investors thrive by mastering them individually. But for the first time ever, they're being put together in one seamless, easy-to-use system designed to maximize your chances of success. So let's break it down. First, legal protection. The investors who take this seriously avoid lawsuits, zoning headaches, contract disputes, and the kind of costly mistakes that can wipe out years of progress. The proof is clear. When your business is protected, you keep more of what you've worked for. Second, cash flow strategies. Without consistent, predictable income, it doesn't matter how big your portfolio is, you'll always be chasing the deal to survive. But investors who focus on steady cash flow, they build businesses that last through recessions, interest rate hikes, and unexpected expenses. They can breathe easier knowing that bills are paid before they even start looking for the next opportunity. And third, scalable growth systems. This is where investors move beyond buying a property here and there and step into real leverage. Growth systems let you scale without losing control, without burning out, and without drowning in chaos. This is how people go from owning a few doors to hundreds of units while still having a life. Here's what's exciting. We already know these three components work. Investors are out there succeeding because they've tapped into one or two of them. But until now, no one has ever put them together into a single integrated system. That's the power of the Profit Shield Growth System. Instead of juggling three separate playbooks, you get one seamless framework. It covers the three biggest reasons investors fail while maximizing the three biggest levers of success. So let me paint you a picture. Let's imagine Sarah, a new investor. She's got two duplexes and dreams of scaling, but she's terrified of making a legal mistake that could cost her everything. Now, with the Profit Shield Growth System, her legal protection is built right into her playbook, so she can grow with confidence. Now let's picture Mike, a seasoned investor, and he's great at finding deals, but cash flow is always a hit or miss. Some months he's flush, other months he's stressed. By plugging into the cash flow strategies in his system, Mike stabilizes his income, and suddenly he's not just surviving, he's thriving. And then there's Lisa, who already has 50 units, but feels like she's drowning in tenant calls, bookkeeping, and endless details. When she taps into the growth systems here, she scales past 100 units without doubling her stress. That's the proof of concept. We know each of these components work, but when you put them together, legal protection, cash flow strategies, and scalable growth systems, you don't just add value, you multiply it. And that's why the Profit Shield growth system is unique. It's groundbreaking, and it's your one-stop shop to protect your profits, accelerate your growth, and finally scale without fear. Now, if you're serious about becoming the kind of investor who wins long term, this is the system you've been waiting for. So the one question is, are you ready to shield your profits and scale your success? If you're ready to build real wealth without the stress, click the link right now in the description below. We'll see you on the inside.